If you're trying to send or swap crypto on Trust Wallet, but you keep getting that annoying network fee problem, don't panic. This issue is actually more common than you think. And the good news is there are several simple fixes that usually solve it fast. So stay with me because by the end of this video, your Trust Wallet should be running smoothly again. First, start with the easiest fix. Update your Trust Wallet app. Go to the App Store or Google Play, search for Trust Wallet, and check if there's an update button. Many network-related bugs and fee calculation errors get patched in new versions, so updating alone can instantly fix the issue. Once you update, reopen the app and try your transaction again. If that didn't work, try a surprisingly effective trick: rename your wallet. Open Trust Wallet, go to Settings, tap your wallet name, then tap the three-dot menu. Change the wallet name to anything new. It sounds strange, but renaming forces a small internal refresh that can clear minor glitches affecting network fee detection. Still no luck? Then create a new wallet inside the app. From the main wallet screen, tap the plus icon and select Create New Wallet. Follow the setup steps and make sure you store your recovery phrase safely. A fresh wallet can bypass internal file corruption or software bugs in your original wallet. You can always re-import your old wallet later, and if the problem still continues, go for a full reset. Head into your phone settings, open the app section, find Trust Wallet, and then go to Storage. Tap Clear Cache and then Clear Data. This wipes out outdated or broken local files. After that, reopen Trust Wallet, re-import your wallet using your recovery phrase, and test your transaction again. These steps fix the majority of network fee issues, but if you're still facing the problem, it may be due to blockchain congestion or low gas limits. In those cases, adjusting your gas settings or simply waiting a little can also help. Hope this helps you get things running smoothly again. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.